Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make halal chicken sushi, a super tasty, fun, and 100% halal-friendly recipe that you can easily try at home. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups of sushi rice or short grain rice, 3 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, nori sheets, that's the seaweed, 1 to 2 cooked chicken breasts, grilled, boiled, or shredded, 1 tablespoon halal soy sauce, half cucumber and half carrot, thinly sliced, a bit of mayonnaise or spicy sauce if you like a kick. Step 1. First, rinse your rice until the water runs clear, then cook it as per instructions. Once done, mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Pour that into the rice and gently fold. This gives your sushi that authentic flavor. Step 2. Next, shred or slice your cooked chicken. Mix it with a little soy sauce and mayo for a creamy, flavorful filling. You can even add chili sauce if you like it spicy. Step 3. Place a sheet of nori on your sushi mat, shiny side down. Spread a thin layer of rice evenly, leaving a small gap at the top. Add chicken, cucumber, and carrot across the center. Then roll it tightly using the mat. Press gently to keep it in shape. Step 4, and there you have it, delicious halal chicken sushi. Soft rice, savory chicken, and fresh veggies all in one bite. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy halal recipes. See you next time.